Want to grow healthier, more productive plants without chemical fertilizers? Stick around because today we're diving into 8 amazing plants that naturally feed your soil, making your garden thrive the eco-friendly way. Before we dig in, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss simple, natural gardening tips. Healthy soil equals healthy plants. Feeding your soil means adding organic matter and nutrients, which improves texture, moisture retention, and microbial life. Synthetic fertilizers can harm beneficial soil organisms and lead to nutrient imbalances. Nature has a better way, using plants that enrich the soil themselves. Here are 8 plants known for their ability to improve soil fertility naturally. These plants form a special partnership with nitrogen-fixing bacteria called rhizobia in their root nodules. They pull nitrogen from the air and convert it into a form plants can use, enriching the soil naturally. Known as a dynamic accumulator, comfrey's deep roots mine minerals like potassium and calcium from deep underground, concentrating them in its leaves. When you chop and drop comfrey leaves as mulch, these nutrients return to the topsoil. Buckwheat is fast-growing and great for smothering weeds, plus it helps release phosphorus that's locked in the soil, making it available to your plants. Another deep-rooted legume, alfalfa, is excellent for improving soil structure and increasing nitrogen levels. Dandelion, which is often seen as a weed, has long taproots that break up compacted soil and bring up calcium and other minerals from deep layers. Their large root systems help aerate the soil, and their fallen leaves add organic matter. Mustard plants help suppress harmful soil pathogens while adding organic matter when tilled back into the soil. Vetch is a winter cover crop that fixes nitrogen and protects soil from erosion during the colder months. Plant legumes like clover or vetch between growing seasons to fix nitrogen and protect the soil. Grow comfrey or mustard greens, then cut the leaves and spread them as mulch to slowly feed the soil. You can also add sunflowers or dandelions around your garden to aerate soil and cycle nutrients naturally. And if you grow buckwheat or alfalfa, till them back into the soil before planting your main crops to boost fertility. Ready to supercharge your soil the natural way? Try adding these 8 plants to your garden and watch your plants thrive. If you found this helpful, drop a like and share your favorite soil-feeding plant in the comments. Let's learn from each other. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural gardening hacks every week. Happy planting!